a robbery victim flags down police, and within seconds, officers are in a gunfight they never saw coming.
What's your for check?
Hello.
Hi.
We were just robbed.
Okay. Do you know where the guy just went?
He did walk around this corner. Older gentleman with the hoodie on, backpack, green jacket. He took it off. He took off the jacket and he had a blue long sleeve on underneath.
Okay.
Kind of dirty blonde.
Did he have any weapons?
He claimed he had a gun.
Okay. And he went off towards Challenge?
He had his hand in his backpack, saying just not to give him a big deal, that he'd shoot us out if we didn't.
Charles, come on.
Sacramento, California on January 29, 2026, at approximately 4:20 p.m., the Sacramento Police Department Communications Center received a call for a report of a robbery in progress at a bank in the 600 block of Response Road. The caller reported a white male adult in his 30s or 40s wearing a green jacket, blue shirt, and in possession of a black backpack just robbed the teller. A couple has just been robbed at gunpoint by a man described as an older gentleman, dirty blonde hair, hoodie backpack, green jacket. He claimed to have a gun hidden in that backpack and threatened to shoot them if they didn't comply. Officers get the description and immediately move in.
Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Put it down! Got his hand. Charles, 24 shots fired, one down.
As officers round the corner, one spots the suspect running. The chase is on. Within moments, commands are being screamed, "Get on the ground," but the suspect refuses to comply. His hand stays buried in that backpack. Shots are fired. One man goes down.
Charles, 24 shots fired, one down. Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Put it down! Got his hand. Charles, 24 shots fired, one down.
With the suspect on the ground and the threat neutralized, officers immediately shift into life-saving mode. They begin packing the gunshot wounds with their bare hands, applying direct pressure, finger by finger, tight as possible, trying to keep this man alive after the very confrontation he created.
Do we have any, here. Ball that up. Make a big ball. No. Ball it up.
The suspect is down with multiple gunshot wounds. Officers are on scene performing emergency trauma care while backup and medics are en route. The robbery victims are safe. The entire incident from the first radio call to shots fired lasted less than 2 minutes.
The whole thing. Get your hand. You're good. You're gonna have to keep pushing hard with the fingers. You're good.
Oh, wait, check that side right there.
Yeah, right here.
Multiple G.
These officers went from getting a robbery report to fighting for someone's life in under 20 seconds. Do you think they had any other choice? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.